Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Reid Elementary Middle School here in Springfield, Ohio, home of the Bulldogs, this side of me. But it was a very emotional day, a lot of tears, but happy tears. Some of the students that were very moved from the presentation, it was about bullying, seeing people for your heart before anything else. So like the shirt says, one race, human, we see everyone as human beings before anything else. But really also seeing people as true miracles. A number of students already had this traced on their palms before they left today, knowing that they're worthy, upside down W and then upside down for M, that they're true miracles, that they're beautiful people. And a couple of students came up to me and said that I'm born this way, but that their true best friends see them for who they are. And those are the ones that are worth their time. The others that don't see that they still need love, but the people that are hurting us are probably hurting inside too. So we really got to show them that kindness. And what was awesome today too, a couple of students that came up to me crying, some of the more influencers of the school, like the cool kids that have that power to uplift people and people follow their actions. They said that they're going to stop bullying. They're going to really make a commitment to encouraging people now and trying to raise them up instead of tear them down, and that they understand that they have this type of value and power and that they're going to use it for good going forward. So it's just a great day all around. Teachers were moved, and people, from age 5 up to age 55 that came up to me, gave me hugs, and you guys are forever etched in my heart. So thanks for letting me share my heart. Hope to see you soon. Peace.